My dad is here, is making some steak.
Yeah, boy. All right, guys. So I've done actually 6 pieces here. So we're gonna marinate it as well, and it cut really nicely. And
We got some steak.
all right, Sean, what are you doing here?
I'm making mashed potatoes. So I'm mashing the potatoes.
Okay. And then what do we got here?
Steak. This piece is for me.
Oh, this is all the marinated steak that we did. And we put it away, so it became nice and chill. Now we're just getting it ready for the barbecue. This is all the marinated ones, and then this is the non-marinated for my daughter. And then we're gonna have mashed potatoes with it as well. Then we have my daughter here making a fresh salad. So Sana, can you tell us what's in the salad here?
Lettuce, carrots, and tomato.
Ooh. All right, we got the barbecue going here. I'm gonna show you.
Does it flash into me on?
No, it's okay, it's okay. So I'm just gonna show you. I got it on, but I'm doing it on very low heat right now because I just want a nice coating on the barbecue, on the steaks, and also so that they don't get burnt. That's it. What's up, Dogo? All right, guys. So I've put a couple of pieces here. This is the marinated ones on the left-hand side and the unmarinated there, and I just got them cooking on low heat. Like I said, I just don't want them to burn, so we're gonna keep eye on them. Oh, that's nice. Okay, I gotta flip it.
Ooh, Dad, that looks so nice. I like the one. I want that one.
Oh, sure, Sean. You want this one? Look at your slice.
I'm a big boy. Ooh, look at the crispiness.
All right, we'll close it back up again.
Woo.
Alright guys, so let's take a look at it. We got the top pieces, they're done. They look beautiful, amazing, not burnt. That's the main thing that I wanted. I wanted them right. And then I got the bottom pieces here. These are the ones without any spices. So we got the bottom ones going, we've got that top going, and I've still left it on very low heat.
Ooh, look at this steak.
Got the table set up here. We're doing the celebration for my daughter, 2021 graduate with steaks. Wait, is the flash on? Yeah, the flash is on. All right. All right, class of 2021. Oh, we got some flies going here.
The food is so good, the flies also want it. Yeah. Let me just zoom into that fire.
That's much better than last time.
Whoa. Have you ever seen fire zoomed in? Yo.